Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are going to solve a common formatting issue in Microsoft Word, perfectly centering your text inside a text box. We will align it both vertically and horizontally so it sits exactly in the middle. Let's get right to it. First, open your Word document. If you have not created your text box yet, go to the Insert tab, select Shapes, draw your text box, and type in your text. Now, to adjust the alignment, click anywhere inside the text box so your cursor is active. To align the text vertically, look at the top menu ribbon and click on the Shape Format tab. Over in the text section, click on the Align Text option. From the drop-down menu, select Middle. You will see your text immediately shift to the vertical center of the box. Next, we need to center it horizontally. Click on the Home tab at the top left. In the paragraph section, click the Center Alignment button. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on a Mac. That is it. Your text is now perfectly centered. Even if you resize the text box later, the text will remain locked right in the middle. If you found this quick guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.